Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name's Tori. I make travel, adventure, and lifestyle content. If you're not already, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below, as well as turn on that bell notification. As you probably have seen already in the title, this is my last weekend in Bahrain. And I plan on taking you along with me as I finish up some last errands, say goodbye to some people, and do some of my favorite things. So let's get this weekend started. Today is Friday. In the United States, it's equivalent to a Saturday. Since it's a Muslim majority country, here in Bahrain, we celebrate our weekends on Friday and Saturday. I'm going to start my morning with a workout, and I thought it'd be a perfect opportunity to show you the incredible amenities of my apartment building. This is the pool area. Usually they have a water fountain going down here. It's pretty chilly today. I think it's about 65 degrees Fahrenheit, so I haven't seen anyone swimming in a pretty long time. Let's go up here. My apartment building also has a lap pool with 3 lanes, and usually these little guys right here will also be waterfalls. On one side of the pool is the barbecue area. On this side there is a kiddie pool as well as a play set. And then there is also a little basketball court that I never used. The indoor pool here is very nice when it is cold here in Bahrain, aka about 60 degrees Fahrenheit. My only wish is that these pools at the end of the main pool were actually hot tubs. In the pool area, they also have a nice sitting area, which I didn't utilize at all. My apartment building also had a playroom, a gaming area. There is a air hockey table, a foosball table, and a pool table. And over here, there is also an office building and the cinema. The cinema is actually locked right now, but it's there, it's nice. I never used it. The last and main amenity that I've used is the gym, which I luckily have all to myself today. Now, I'm not showing this to you all to brag. My work actually has set pricing allowances, and this is where I decided to stay within my budget. My apartment building, the Fontana Suites, actually has different price ranges that you can stay here at. You have studio apartments all the way up to 3-bedroom apartments. And I hope you've enjoyed seeing the amenities of the Fontana Suites. I've really enjoyed living here, especially the amenities and the people that work here. They've been extremely helpful and welcoming and have always made this place feel like home. I'm gonna knock out a quick workout and we will be on with the day. I came back out here because they turned the waterfall on. I just love being out here because we are located in the middle of a city and you don't feel like it. You feel like you're on some tropical vacation. I'll definitely miss this whole element. I just spent the last couple hours taking care of some chores and packing up, and now I am headed to brunch. And if you haven't been to brunch in the Middle East, specifically Bahrain, you are in for a treat. Before I take you to this craziness, I'm gonna give you a quick rundown on what brunch is. So out here in the Middle East, a lot of hotels and restaurants will hold brunch. Pretty much it's a lunch into dinner time frame with an unlimited food buffet. Sometimes they serve you buffets, and a lot of times it's also unlimited drinks. Usually they're pretty expensive, but you end up eating and drinking your money's worth. It's also fun to see everyone dressed up, and it's a perfect opportunity to wear those suits and gold that we spent so much money on. Katie, are you ready for brunch?
I am.
She's wearing her new pink Barbie blazer.
My Barbie shorts didn't work out.
She got a skirt, but they ended up turning them into shorts. We're gonna figure it out though.
We are.
Onwards to brunch. I just finished up with brunch. We had an amazing buffet. Welcome back to day 2 of my last weekend in Bahrain. Katie is with me. She's a little sad.
What's that?
We had an awesome time at brunch at Movenpick. If you're in Bahrain and need a brunch recommendation, Movenpick has probably been our favorite of all the places that we've been. What do you think, Katie?
I loved it. I would definitely recommend Movenpick. I will be going back, even if Tori can't come with me.
The food was really good, the drinks were good, a really good atmosphere as well. But today we are just going to the souk and running some errands. I'm gonna meet up with one of my other friends at a traditional Bahraini restaurant, so come along. Katie and I are at our favorite Gold City, and we just realized we match completely. Jeans and a red shirt. I always end up seeing this fancy cat whenever I go to the souk. Hello! We ended up making it out of the Gold City relatively unscathed, and now we are going to go to breakfast. This breakfast spot is hidden within the souk, and it is just right down this alleyway. And here we are! Thank you so much!
Thank you.
This is actually my first time eating here at Heritage Village, and you definitely do not feel like you're in the middle of the souk. They have a breakfast menu, a lunch menu, and a dinner menu, so you can come here at all times of the day. They also gave us a little appetizer while we wait for my friends. They're called samosas with cheese inside, and they were telling me that it's a Bahraini dish.
It's very, it's not what you'd expect. It's kind of like a sweet honey and cheese. Oh, wow.
She made it! Hello! They were actually called sambosas, not samosas. And then we ordered the village basket, which they said was good for 3 people, and the mayawa. I'll have to ask how to say that again. This is our village basket. So many different types of foods.
This one is picked beef. Okay, it's picked beef, picked chicken, chicken liver.
Okay, what's the rest of this?
It's beans. Okay, egg tomato. Okay, lentil soup. Okay, gamer honey. This one, simmed rice. This one.
And what is this called again?
It's mahiyawa.
Mahiyawa?
Mahiyawa.
Mahiyawa.
With cheese and egg.
Cheese and egg.
So we just finished up with a late breakfast. Katie, what is the verdict?
It was good. I still think Haji's is the #1 for breakfast.
And we are back in the Manama souk, and we came to this massive surprise. You know those eggs that we always talk about when we come here? They're actually open, and we can see what they look like in their full kiosk form. There's even some live music going on. Our last stop in the souk today is our favorite suit tailors. I stopped by my favorite suit place for the last time. Bye, and we got a group photo. Bye, my suit addiction. One of the hardest parts about coming down to the Manama Souk is parking, and today we parked in this lot full of cars. Just look how many cars are in this parking lot. It's insane. Luckily, we weren't one of these cars that got locked in. But I am pretty proud of myself, pat on my own back, that I did a like 9-10 point turn getting around and making a 180 so I can get out of this parking lot. Now I'm going to drop Katie off, head home, finish up some packing and some chores, and then I have one last treat for the weekend. My last stop for today is heading to the harbor. They currently have a light installation up. If you're interested in going yourself, it's open till February. I'm meeting up with my friend Howie, a fellow photographer, and we are going to take some photos of the lights. Come along. Howie, hey.
What's going on?
Unfortunately, the main installation that I wanted to come and see is closed today because it is down for repair. Just imagine all of these strings with the bulbs lit up. I bet it's so beautiful. Cute bag.
Oh, thanks.
It looks great on you.
Oh, thanks. It really matches the attire.
Yeah, black matches everything, so. Prediction is that these bikes actually power the lights. So I'm making Howie pedal. Howie, I think it actually might be a competition. Yeah. Good job, Howie, you're almost done. Oh man, you won. How do you feel about beating the little kids?
I took the candy.
The harbor area is so pretty at night. It's very calm. And since it's still winter, it's nice and cool and easy to walk around. Very comfortable. These lights were fun to walk around at, very short activity, and I'm a little disappointed that those light strings weren't working. If I have a little bit more time, I think it's worth checking out. They said it should be up and running tomorrow. And that wraps up my last weekend in Bahrain. So many fun activities, saying goodbye to all of my favorite people, and it's definitely an end to a very special era where I learned a lot and got to experience a lot of new things and a new culture. And that wraps up this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to follow along with me on my next adventure, specifically my move. And remember, we have the world to see. I'll see you next time. Bye. Howie just pointed out the little jellyfishes. Do you see them? Right there? Oh yeah.